everyone! Welcome to instyleshopuaeuk, and today ang pag-uusapan po natin is how do I use this collagen cream skincare set after all the micropeeling and all these things have been done. So, number one, for the day cream, what I would do is just wash my face again, double cleansing, leave the soap for about 10 seconds, and then that's it, double cleanse. And then the next thing that I would do is then I would apply my moisturizer or my SPF that I usually add onto my routine. And then, last but not the least, I would add this. Okay, I would add my collagen day cream. So, what about makeup? People ask me. So what I would usually do is I would apply my collagen day cream and then I would put on my foundation if I have to go on a heavy makeup, but if not, I would just apply my concealer and then do my normal makeup, set it with the powder, and then voila, that's how it is. And then what about for the night cream? So the next thing that I would do is at night, again, I would double cleanse. I would leave the soap for about 10 seconds. And then the next thing that I would do is I would put on the collagen night cream. And then after that, there you go. Paubos na siya. So after that, I would apply my normal moisturizer, any moisturizer that I use at night. So, para sa inyo guys, if you're using any moisturizers that you use at night, then feel free to do so. And kung mayroon pa po kayong tanong, if you have any more questions, just feel free to ask me or contact me on my page, instyleshopuaeuk. So, have a great day!